So these guys, they came to me and said, hey, this is not supposed to be like that. But after explaining to them and also showing them my YouTube channel, and what's your name? Peter. Peter. And what's your name?
Jacob Manyati.
Jacob Manyati. And sir? Yeah. Guys, this is CALTON Center. This is CALTON Center for you. See that building? And we're entering there. I don't know how much strict are they when it comes to the video filming in this mall. So this is what I promised you. I told you we're gonna be in small streets, and then small street will lead you straight to CALTON Center, and this is CALTON Center, guys. It's everything that you need. Maybe we should just go around a little. Sorry. Let's just go find out what's here. There's an eating place here. Wow. This. And these steps, the stairs takes you down. Let's see what we can find down there. If I'm gonna be allowed filming here, let's see. I've seen there are actually a lot of banks here. You can see all these people are queuing, those queues. Right, so we're gonna have to move away from banks. That won't be good for filming this type of things. So let's go down. Okay, this is CALTON Center for you guys. You can find it in the middle of Joburg CBD, just next to MTN, and MTN rank is not far away. This is Crusaders there. Right. Doesn't look that busy because it's too early in the morning. I think in time there'll be many people around, I think, coming to buy, coming for these fish and chips and all that stuff. So I don't know, here's the security there. I hope they won't have a problem with this. Just approach there. Not going to be long that much. We're going to be out of here right now because we are at this portion here, down here. As you can see. Simple CALTON Center for you guys. Now we're getting out of here so that we can end our vlog of this portion. this is Michael's. No, this is not the place that you want. You need to go down. Hey, Bob. Yeah, so this is CALTON Center. We would need to go down. Yeah, so guys, I'm here in CALTON Center, and I had a little problem, but anyway, it's understandable problem. The thing is, I'm with these guys here, and the security of this place. You can't just come in here and you start taking the videos and all that stuff. So these guys, they came to me and said, hey, this is not supposed to be like that. But after explaining to them and also showing them my YouTube channel, and what's your name? Peter. And what's your name? Jacob Manyati. And sir? Shasha. And this is Shasha. Actually, these guys are doing an amazing job, because it's very risky to be taking these kind of videos. There are banks, there are everything, and robberies and all that stuff can be happening. So I'm given the permission so that I can finish this CALTON Center more. So thanks to you guys. Thank you so much. And just say hi to the subscribers.
Hi guys.
Be well. Okay, thanks. You watch this channel, ne? I'll be posting it by I think by tomorrow. You will see it. All right. So let me go up and finish the small portions. Thank you so much. All right. All right. We are finishing our vlog here, and I wasn't expecting that I was gonna do it the way it's gonna happen now. So let's just take a few walks to this side, since we've been given the permission to do this more. It was hectic. It took me to a certain office. Yes. Something, right? Yes.
What you're doing is not allowed, no?
No, I've been allowed already.
You've been what?
I've been allowed already with the security.
By who?
The security.
Which one? Let's go to you. Let's go to you.
Hey, I'm having problems again. So guys, okay, as you are watching, I'm having another one. I'm meeting these guys, and they're telling me again it's not allowed. And I was given all the security here. So I'm still here. Let's check what's happening. So yeah, it's happening again. So these are the guys here. They're conversing the thing, and they're saying, so this is our Africa, guys. It happens in every mall, and sometimes when you're having these videos, things like this, it happens. So all right, now he agrees. He has got no problem with that. Thanks, man. I'll see you around. All right, which one is the way out? All right, better go this way. That's another day, guys. That's another day. Meeting different people here. So some of them, they're friendly, some of them they're not. So this is CALTON Center for you guys. Out, completely out, ne? All right, so you are gonna try to get out of this mall. This is what happens when we are doing these vlogs out, guys. When we are moving around, we get arrested, and a lot of things does happen to us. A lot of things, you can name it. So I'm out of here. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye for now. Ciao.